Hi guys, I'm Luis.
And I'm Monika.
Welcome to one of the oldest cities in the world.
Also UNESCO heritage, but most importantly, our favorite city in Albania.
Welcome to Gjirokaster.
Welcome to Gjirokaster, a city engraved in stone and immersed in history. Settled in the south of Albania, this place feels like it was taken out of Middle Earth. To be precise, you will feel like walking in the middle of Minas Tirith in Gondor from the Lord of the Rings. Its towering fortress and ancient winding streets echo tales of a long past. Today, we're unveiling the charm of Gjirokaster, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is as enchanting as it is important.
So, the city of Gjirokaster is located at the south part of Albania. This city was founded in the 12th century and is often called the City of Stone.
Strategically located near Greece, Gjirokaster is a crossroad of cultures and history. Yet, it remains one of Europe's hidden gems. Cheap, accessible, and rich in culture. Why isn't everyone gathering here?
Suspended high above the city, the Gjirokastër Castle, an imponent masterpiece testament to the city's resilience through time. Witnessing centuries of history of conquest and culture. But it's not just the architecture that captivates visitors. It's the stories whispered along its ancient walls. Imagine walking the same path as generals and kings.
This castle has a very, very long history and a very rich history. When we come here, we're always amazed by it, especially Luis.
Well, the castle is big, guys, and as you can see, this is one of the most iconic landmarks of Gjirokaster. It's the fortress, which is overlooked the city. Originally built in the 12th century, as I mentioned before, but it was expanded over the years. The most notably by Ali Pasha of Ioannina. You know how I know that place? Because Monika took me through that road when we came back from Greece, when we went to Meteora.
Something else that I want to mention, Gjirokastra, actually all Albania we were Christian, but during the Ottoman Empire, especially Gjirokastra, it became 100% Muslim due to the Ottoman Empire ruling our country. So yeah, that's the story of Albania. If you're going to ask us now what is your religion, we say the religion of the Albanians is being Albanian. We are not really like big believers, but
now, two of the most important people who changed the history of Albania were born here in Gjirokaster. The number one was the dictator.
Enver Hoxha.
Yeah, Enver Hoxha was born right here in this city.
But also very, very famous writer, our most famous writer, Ismail Kadare. Which books I'm going to suggest to Luis to read it because he loves reading.
Yeah, I haven't read any book from him, but everybody recommends a book from him.
Yeah, he's great.
Yeah, so those two iconic characters that made a massive change in the history of Albania were born here in the city. Now, as Monika mentioned before, this is my favorite place in Albania, but the reason why is I cannot believe that the city is still looking like this, guys. It's like looking at Lord of the Rings, and it's old, it's over 1,000 years city, and it remains like that. Like they really take care of the city. You know, now that we're going down to walking down, yeah, I won't show you how it looks the city, but I love how the roof they look and everything. Yeah, between the new and the old city remains amazing. Very, very nice. So last time that we were here, we stayed in a hotel right there called Hotel Kalemi. Amazing hotel. But unfortunately, it was so much fog. We couldn't even see the castle from there, so that's the reason why we couldn't
Not the
vlog.
castle, we couldn't even see like the house in front of us, and the houses here are very close to each other, like very, very close, like as close as me and Luis.
it was very foggy and we were so sad. But anyway, we stayed 2 days here because we love it so much. So
Yeah.
it doesn't matter if it's sunny, windy, rain, snowing, we'll come here every time we're in Albania.
Correct. That was for Christmas. We still got the footage. I'll show you the footage, in fact.
Even during Christmas, Gjirokaster shines without losing its traditional charm. The Christmas decorations around the city add a magical layer to its already stunning beauty. The city lights up, literally and figuratively, creating a festive atmosphere that warms up the chilly, stone-lined streets unlike anywhere else.
Well, yeah, I want to show you how the castle looks on this side, guys. It's amazing. And how the castle remains, you know, like it has all the same shape, and the columns, the fortress is really, really amazing. This is my favorite part of the castle, the tower, which remains almost intact. It looks so amazing. And then you can even go down that way. It's also, you have the view from the entire valley from there.
We call this caldron.
The roads like this?
Yeah, the roads like that.
I love the colors and the patience they took to have the road like this.
All of the city was like this
Yeah.
back, you know,
And
500
according
years
to
ago.
Monica, it's called Caldran.
Yes.
This is where the locals that they used to live inside the castle decided to move outside their bazaar and start selling here. I love this street. You see all the Albanian art right here.
That's artisanal handcraft.
Yeah, look, they have the phones same age as Monica.
As we explore this epic land, we're reminded that every beautiful destination has its layers. It's clear that Gjirokaster is a city that deserves more than a passing glance. It is an amazing, cheap, and stunning place to travel. This city offers more than just sights. It provides lessons of the resilience of culture through time.
This is the most iconic building. If you Google Gjirokaster, this is what it will come up. And why it's so iconic? Because it's in the center of the five corner street right here in Gjirokaster. I love the colors. I love how the castle looks over there at the end. You can see it, and then on top of here. The whole city is beautiful, guys. Beautiful, full of art, full of souvenirs, local cuisine, anything you can find. You can find it here. It looks so much nicer now. Last time Monica and I were here was for Christmas, and actually we spent end of the year here. It was so cold, but it was very nice. Right here in the middle, you can find also a mosque made out of stone. So cool. This is our coffee, Ottoman style. That's pure art. Yeah, it's not Murano glass, but it's very artisanal from here. It's so beautiful. this is a very popular spot where everybody comes to take a picture with these two bears at the Irish pub.
It's a very nice pub. I love it here.
So we paid for the castle. How much did we pay?
We paid almost $4. That's 400 leks.
Yes, almost $4
So it's like,
in the entrance.
Albanian with like it's like almost like 1-to-1. So
Yeah,
let's say $4.
$4 just to see the castle, which is amazing. And just to come and see in the city. You come have a coffee. We just had a coffee for
It's
just
a very nice spot.
$2. Very good, yeah. Very, very nice.
What you see in the wall right over here is for the soldiers.
It's from the soldiers when they fought in the
Correct.
war. So they have all these antiques right here for people who fought the war, anything. First aid kit, helmets. Yeah, lots of stuff.
They had to carry a lot.
Very nice, very nice. This is a typical house here in Gjirokaster. Look how they maintain the roof out of stone. They have the chimney. They have
Chimney.
Yeah, they have the wooden door. Everything out of stone. And look, even for Christmas, they just decorate this little tree right here at the entrance. I love this city, guys. It's so beautiful. Look at the view of those houses right there in the mountain. It's just breathtaking. Coming here is like jumping in the past, and I just imagine how much history is in here. I always tell Monika, this is my favorite place in Albania.
It's my favorite place too.
And seeing the streets, the roads like this, look, this is art, guys. This is art. Look, even the view here today. The main bazaar. It's so nice. This is my favorite restaurant in whole Albania, guys.
And of course, coming to Gjirokaster, we couldn't miss our favorite restaurant, which is only 17 minutes from the center in Gjirokastër on the way to go to Saranda. This is restaurant Ruci.
It's typical Albanian food, but guys, I promise you, I can't wait to show you how amazing the food is here.
It's 100 out of 10.
Here at Ruci, not only does the traditional Albanian cuisine steal the show, but the prices will make your wallet breathe a sigh of relief. This is our favorite restaurant in all of Albania, with delicious, authentic, and unbelievably affordable. This is what eating in Gjirokastër is all about.
It sounds so good when you
Very
cut
crunchy.
it. Very crunchy. It's hot, but it's so good.
Yeah, Albanian food is really good.
You order French fry. You get French fry, but with real potatoes.
So these bowls that you have here, I don't know how to describe it. It is bowls.
These ones are for sure with vegetables. They are very tasty. I think this one is arancini and this one with cheese. But we'll have to open it to see.
Open it.
Okay. Let me start with this. By the way, this is my favorite. And
My favorite too. My favorite. It's so good.
Okay, so you see, it has vegetables. Mostly all this green stuff like spinach and other green stuff. I have to dip it in the sauce. This is yogurt sauce. I think I left a piece over there. I'll get back for that later.
And this is my favorite part, guys. Lamb chops. Now, these lambs are special. And Monika will tell you why.
If you go in Albania and you try lamb chops from the north south, you'll see the difference here because the lambs are grown in the mountains. So it's different, the meat. The air has its own effect and everything. It's just tastier. And meat is really, you can tell if it's good or bad based on where the animals grow and how they grow.
You
What
can see
they
the
eat
colors
and
and you can see how amazing this looks, guys. So, bon appetit. At last, we have dessert, which is orange cake, and this is on the house, which is watermelon. And what's that?
It's the watermelon, the green part. We made it kind of like a jam, kind of. That's how I can describe it. It's very tasty.
I'll be the judge of that. See? It's actually really good.
So, what do you think? Is Gjirokaster a hidden budget gem waiting to be explored, or is it overshadowed by its past? Join the conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our journey. Discover more, think deeper, and travel smarter with us. This is it for today, and
Ciao for now.